In this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to save money on your travel insurance. Now, if you find this useful, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. But also, if you've got any tips of your own, please make sure you leave them in the comments below this video for the benefit of others. Now, the first thing you need to do is review your package bank accounts for any existing travel insurance that you might have and ensure that you have the right level of cover and check for the upper age limits on any policies that you are going to be looking at. Now, we have some articles on the Money to the Masses website that can help you with this, so I'm going to put a link in the notes below this video. It goes without saying that you should compare other travel insurance policies to find potentially cheaper ones for you. Now, the other thing you should do is consider an annual multi-trip policy if you travel frequently. So if you do get any quotes, make sure you get quotes for single trips and compare it to a multi-trip policy. If you are planning on going with a family or a group of people, then do consider group or family policies because they can be cheaper than individual policies. Pre-existing medical conditions are crucial. They will have a big impact on the price of your policy. Make sure you do disclose all pre-existing conditions to ensure that you are covered if something were to go wrong. It's not just about if things go wrong when you're away, but if you have to cancel your trip because of an existing medical condition, then they will pay out only if you've actually disclosed it. Now, do shop around, and there are specialist insurers that will make the policy more cost effective. Don't just go with a name that you already know or your existing travel insurance provider. Do shop around. Once again, I will put a link in the notes of this video to an article on the Money to the Masses website which deals specifically with pre-existing medical conditions and travel insurance. Now, this won't lower your premiums, but do make sure that your travel insurance covers you for specific things if you are, for example, going on a cruise or you're doing winter sports. A way of saving money on your travel insurance is to opt for a higher excess amount. That will lower your premiums, but it does obviously mean you'll have to pay more towards any claim if you make one. Ensure the increased excess amount remains affordable though. Next up, buy travel insurance online. If you purchase policies online and directly from insurers, you can save significant amounts. That's because some insurers do offer discounts for online purchases, but do be aware that the offer that you get now may not be applied when you come to renew your policy in a year's time, for example, if you're taking out an annual policy. One of the most obvious ways is to shop around online using comparison sites like Money Supermarket, and there are, of course, plenty of others. Do be aware, though, that not all travel insurance providers are listed on comparison sites. Of course, there is Direct Line, for example, who you'd have to contact directly, but it's worth shopping around and contacting these different providers to ensure that you get the policy that you need at the price that you can afford.